how to get your first 50 deliveries on DoorDash. Beginner's Guide to Reaching Your First Milestone as a Dasher. Why 50 deliveries matters. Reaching your first 50 deliveries on DoorDash is a key milestone. It unlocks experience, improves your customer rating history, and often qualifies you for incentives like Top Dasher or priority scheduling. Start with peak hours. The fastest way to rack up deliveries is to dash during peak times. Lunch 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and dinner 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. have the highest demand, which means more orders and less downtime. Accept shorter trips first. When you're starting out, focus on shorter delivery distances. Quick trips help you complete more deliveries in less time, bringing you closer to that 50 delivery goal. Stay in busy zones. Position yourself in areas with multiple restaurants clustered together. High-density zones increase your chance of getting back-to-back orders, which adds up quickly toward your first 50. Use stacked orders wisely. DoorDash sometimes offers 2 deliveries from the same restaurant or nearby. Accepting stacked orders saves time and gas while doubling your delivery count. Maintain high customer service. Each delivery builds your reputation. Be polite, follow instructions carefully, and keep customers updated if delays happen. High ratings encourage better opportunities and steady order flow. Track incentives and challenges. DoorDash frequently offers challenges like complete X deliveries this week for a bonus. Taking advantage of these not only helps you reach 50 faster, but also adds extra money to your earnings. Stay online longer in the early days. Until you understand the best local times to dash, spend more hours online. This increases your chances of completing deliveries quickly, especially in your first week. Be smart about declines. While you don't have to accept every order, be strategic. Declining too many can lower your acceptance rate, which affects incentives. Balance between short trips, high pay, and consistency. Conclusion: your first 50 DoorDash deliveries set the tone for your dashing career. By focusing on peak hours, short trips, customer service, and smart order selection, you'll hit this milestone quickly and build a strong foundation for future earnings. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, like, and comment DoorDash for more top DoorDashing tips that can help you earn more fast.